prizes when you get back. They want to know how many you found.
The ties? Yeah. Those are pressure retrieved
Candy
4x4,
canes,
6x4s.
Santa,
They're cut to 13.5 inches.
And Santa hats are only red and white.
Then
only red and white Santa hat.
This is awesome.
There's one.
It's okay, just keep going. Just keep.
I'll tell you.
Did you win a prize? Aw, man. Yeah, that's a big fat Santa. Look, here's the reindeer one.
So we have to count all the hats. First, let's count those 7.
Yeah, that's
11. No, we're counting all the Santas.
Why did you just tell me Santa hat?
Santa.
No, she said Santa hat.
And Santa.
Merry Christmas sleigh with Santa and chickens. Santa and chickens. Wow.
I can't get rid of the cute.
And piggies.
Look how cute he is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, because there's animals. Remember, they have horses.
Oh, my new teacher, she loves owls.
Yeah.
And owls. And all the little trees and the camels. Ivy and Rob did an awesome job.
Last week, all we have to do is something. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6,
Like a
7.
white wonderland.
Blue Santa. Even Olaf. Wow.
I like it.
Snowman. And nutcrackers. You gotta come down here to St. Cloud and see this. This is wonderful. And remember, they're doing this for the Osceola Council for the Aging. Great fundraiser. Great ride around on the train here. Starting December 17th to the 23rd. Come out and bring the kids. Ooh, all the lights. Mickey's. And the different Santa Clauses. And the minions, yay! And there's a big minion here.
Or they got them on clearance.
You'll see more tomorrow night when we're out here helping Rob and Ivy with everybody, all this going on. This is a pre-party. Hope you'll like this. You'll see it on Facebook, so come on down and help support this great organization and what Rob and Ivy 5e do. And we're coming to the end here. A bear with a dreidel, yay! The Hanukkah designs. North Pole Beach.